A new partnership in Fayetteville is helping build the programmers of tomorrow. THouse Technology Training and Consulting Incorporated's coding program gives high school students a chance to practice building a variety of programs that challenge them in different ways. We talked to instructor THouse and his students about the effort.
The name of the program is called the Coding Coordinator and sponsored by the City of Fayetteville. But this program was basically designed to fill a need or a void to bring some real-world coding experience to the students in the classroom, primarily concentrating on high school students who are about to graduate, just so they could get an idea what actual programming was about.
I always wanted to practice coding as a kid because it really just seemed interesting, like, the idea of telling the computer what to do.
Honestly, that one, everything that he has taught us, everything from the text boxes to the labels to the radio buttons, how to really design a program, how to really make an on-event action like a click appear and make other stuff appear. It's just amazing.
So each day they did a new project. They built a calculator, they built a expense system, they built a wage calculator once, they did a hotel program. I try to build things that attack different skills. They built a picture program where they can use visibility, non-visibility code. So it's all about learning how the code works. So various projects, but it all comes together so they can build any project based on the code they have learned.
I think it's changed the way that I think about technology is how more complex it is. Usually you can just click stuff with your fingers and it come to you like that, but with this you actually have to think about what you're doing. You have to be precise with everything that you put in because the software is so critical.
Everything is pretty much exciting because the relief of having your program work and the disappointment of having it not work. So yeah, it helps me think about technology as a whole new thing, and it's just more in-depth than it usually is.
I feel like most people would think that technology class is not much work, but honestly, technology is one of the hardest things I've ever done. It takes me just an hour to complete a test that would take him maybe 10 minutes or so. And that should just tell you how much time gets put into this, especially when you're a little bit unexperienced and you're still trying to learn. It is not for everybody. You have to really love doing it.
They've held about a dozen classes at the 5 schools listed on your screen. House teaches the students over the course of a couple of weeks, and if you attend one of those schools and want to try the class, you can ask your principal or teachers. All of this was made possible by funding received through the City of Fayetteville's Economic and Community Development Department. To find out more about the great work ECD does in the community, check out their website down below.